Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 以为. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读以为. So, 以 and 为 both only have final without initial, so 以 actually is final E, so we do third tone 以. And this one actually is final 为 way, so second tone 为以为. Very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写. First, we write 以竖提点撇点以 and 为点撇横折钩点以为 means think. It always follow your personal idea. For example, I think tomorrow will rain. 我以为明天会下雨. Or I think you already know it. 我以为你已经知道了. That is all about 以为. If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.